Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the world of Pac-Man. In this video, I will explain how to play this iconic arcade game. Your main objective is simple: guide Pac-Man through the maze and consume all 240 small dots. Use your joystick or directional keys to move Pac-Man up, down, left, and right. Be careful, though, as 4 distinct ghosts, Blinky, Pinky, Inkai, and Clyde, are constantly pursuing you. Mastering movement and understanding your goal are the first steps to becoming a Pac-Man champion. A crucial element of Pac-Man gameplay involves the 4 large power pellets located in each corner of the maze. When Pac-Man eats a power pellet, the ghosts temporarily turn blue and become vulnerable. This is your chance to turn the tables and eat them for bonus points. Each ghost has a distinct AI. Blinky is aggressive, Pinky tries to ambush you, Inkai is unpredictable, and Clyde wanders aimlessly. Understanding their patterns is key to survival and high scores. Scoring points is how you achieve a high score in Pac-Man. Each small dot you eat is worth 10 points, while a power pellet gives you 50 points. The real bonus comes from eating blue ghosts. The first is worth 200 points, the second 400, the third 800, and the fourth a massive 1600 points, all within one power pellet's effect. Additionally, bonus fruits like cherries or strawberries appear twice per round, offering valuable extra points. To truly excel at Pac-Man, you'll need some advanced strategies. Try to plan your routes to clear sections of the maze without getting trapped, often referred to as slicing the maze. Utilize the 4 warp tunnels on the left and right sides of the screen to quickly escape pursuing ghosts or reposition yourself. Finally, practice ghost training, where you gather all 4 ghosts behind you before eating a power pellet, allowing you to consume them all for maximum points. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.